Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm just going to bring you a quick look at my garden haul. If you've watched my other video about Walmart, I went to Walmart and got some things. But this is another Walmart haul. Got some seeds and got some more asparagus roots. So I picked up one package before. It's got 4 roots in it, and so I really just decided, instead of just doing 4 plants, I'm going to do an entire bed of asparagus. We really love asparagus. The entire family eats it. My wife and I and all of the kids really just love it. So I went back and I got 2 more packs of the Mary Washington asparagus roots. It's really a good deal, $3.46 for 4 roots. And so I'll be doing a video on how to plant these. It's pretty simple, actually. Just soak the roots for a while and then plant them. So now these are probably, if I had to guess, these are probably 1-year-old roots. Sometimes you'll get 2-year-old, but judging by the small package, it's probably 1-year roots. So probably won't expect a harvest on this for at least probably 2 years. But that's okay. Get them in the ground, start growing, and then, it'll be good. All right, now on to the seeds. So I did pick up some more seeds. These are onions. These are Texas Grano. I decided to try these. I'm really just going to probably just grow them more or less for spring onions, and just let a few of the bulbs get bigger. So I'll be direct sowing these in the garden as a test. I didn't start onion seeds this year from seed indoors, so I'm probably just going to be putting these in the ground right away and letting them just grow from seed, and probably a container, maybe some in a bed. But also picked up some calendula. Everywhere I've looked that I use for seeds online was out of the Pacific Beauty calendula, so I actually picked these up at Walmart. These are 50 cents per package, which is a really good deal. It is from American Seed, which is the same company that sell the dollar store seeds. And so I've used these tons of times. So I got 4 packs. Got a variety of sunflowers. I got Red Sun. I got Border Mix. I got Topolino, which is a smaller variety. Also got Italian White. And I got Cutting Gold. And then I also got, this is the first time I've seen it at Walmart in these packages, which is Tithonia, or Mexican sunflower. Really love this, guys. It's a host plant for monarch butterflies. This is one of the main food sources for adult butterflies that are making their migrations. They lay their eggs for their caterpillars, of course, on the milkweed plants, and then this is the food for the adults. So really great deal. So yeah, that's what I got at Walmart. I hope you are finding some good deals, and until next time, I will see you then. Keep on growing.